So I brought a wig from Shein. You're going to want to watch this full video so you guys can get all the information about this hair, because y'all, this hair is
overnight. You are the sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. You change overnight. You are the sight, you magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
okay, y'all. So here's the wig right here. I did dye this hair jet black, and that was actually my first time dyeing a wig jet black, and I think it came out pretty good, y'all. Like, look at this. I think it looks so good. Like, I don't see no brown pieces in here, like, at all. What I noticed about this hair too is that the ends are really thin and brittle. I'm definitely gonna cut the ends of this hair. Other than that, everything feels okay so far. I didn't straighten this hair yet, so it's really puffy right now, but I am gonna straighten it. And honestly, y'all, I was gonna use my got2b, but I think I changed my mind. I think I'm just gonna use this spray, my Evan spray. Okay, y'all, I really don't even have to do baby hairs. One thing I also want to mention about this hair, it came pre-plucked. How pre-plucked this wig was amazing. Like, I did not go in at all and pluck this hairline, and I think it looks pretty good. Ooh, that was too much. I really don't think I'm gonna, I might do baby hairs though, because I love baby hairs. I did not mean to spray that much freaking spray. But y'all know I love my baby hairs, so I'm probably just gonna end up doing baby hairs. But I really could get away with like no baby hairs with this wig though, because it just looks that good. And now I'm just gonna flat iron this hair so we can get this bone straight. But honestly, y'all, so far this hair is not too bad. Like, I almost forgot that I even got it from Shein. Like, what? It's really not that bad for real though. Okay, Shein. Okay. I'm digging it.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I
So far, this hair feels actually very soft. And I'm actually really shocked as well because I dyed this hair. So I'm really shocked with this hair. Like, this feels really soft. Like, honestly. I am gonna cut the ends of this hair. I don't know if you guys can see, but the ends are like really thin and they look really like just brittle and just, I don't know, I'm not feeling it. So what I'm gonna do is cut them a little bit because they just look so like just you know. I am gonna trim these, not too much, but like just enough because I'm not, because this hair is 24 inches, but I'm just not feeling these ends, so I'm gonna cut them just to make it more even. See, that just made it look so much better. So this is this side too. Let me show y'all the difference. Y'all see the difference? So this is the side that I cut, and then this is the regular side. It's your personal preference. I mean, you could leave it like that, but I'm not, I want my ends to be even. So, and then actually what I'm gonna do is add like a little curl to the ends too. So, but honestly, y'all, this hair feels very soft. Like, it feels really soft. back to my channel. So today, you guys, we will be working with this wig right here. And you guys, this wig is from Shein, Shein.com. You know, Shein, where we usually get all our clothing from. So they actually have wigs on their website. I heard about this a while back, so I'm like, you know what, I really want to try one of their wigs from their website. So I just went ahead and I brought this wig with my own money. So this is a 4x4 24-inch 150% density wig. Me dyed this hair, so I did dye this hair jet black. It did not come this color. When you do buy this wig, it is in a natural black color. I just wanted to try and dye a wig black. So this is actually the first time I have ever dyed a wig jet black, and you guys, I must say, like, I did a pretty good job, honestly. Like, it looks really good. Like, I've never dyed one of my wigs jet black before. This was the very first time, so I'm really happy with how this came out. So one thing I can say about this hair is that, you guys, I did not pluck this closure at all. This closure literally came just like this. Like, this closure was just so perfect. I didn't even need to pluck it at all. So that was one thing that I did like about this hair. Also, even after dyeing this hair, like, it still feels very soft to the touch, like, after dyeing, because you guys know sometimes when you dye wigs, they can get really dry and brittle. Touching this hair and just running my fingers through it, like, this hair feels very soft. Like, I'm really happy. So when this wig did come to me, it did come in a little pink bag, as you guys seen in the beginning. It didn't come with no scarves or no edge brushes like my wigs usually do. So, you know, they just gave my wig in a bag. I kind of wish, though, I really wish I would have tried out their lace frontal, because this is a closure wig, so it's kind of not much lace to work with. So I kind of wish I would have purchased a lace frontal, because y'all know when it comes to lace frontals, that's how you know when a wig is like it. That's how you know when a wig is good, okay? When you have that lace frontal and it takes to bleaching well, plucking, all that. Like, I kind of want to see, like, if with the lace frontal is, if it's the same, you know what I'm saying? It's a 4x4 lace closure, so there's not much lace to work with. I really want to see how the lace frontals are. So also know with lace frontals, you kind of wear them longer. I usually wear my lace frontals longer than my closures. So if you guys would like to see that, I would definitely go back in on Shein and purchase a lace frontal. I don't know if you guys would like to see that. So if you guys would like to see that, please comment down below, and also give this video a thumbs up, so I know you guys would like me to do that video next, because I'm really curious, y'all. Like, I'm really curious to see if the lace frontal is giving what the closure is giving. I love this hair even more. It's because I dyed it jet black. I think the jet black is kind of just bringing it to life a little bit here. If you guys would like a tutorial on how I dyed this hair jet black, even though I did show it in the video, I can go into more detailed process in another video, so let me know as well down below if you guys would like to see that. Hair, you guys, was definitely a really good purchase. I'm really happy with this wig. Shein did not disappoint, so honestly, Shein might be the go-to website for clothing and hair, because it's giving. That was everything for today's video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on my socials down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.